Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, I go by the name Mollen or just being Mollen. So guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, watch, like, and of course leave a comment. So guys, today we are going to make simple Mukimo using simple recipe with simple ingredients which you can get from your nearest mama mboga. So guys, without further ado, allow me to start this video. So these are my ingredients which I'm going to use. We have spinach. I used spinach instead of malenge leaves, but you can also use malenge leaves, but I'm using what I have for now. We have potatoes, peeled and washed, and also we have maize. I had already boiled them and kept them in the freezer. I have onions. I have cooking oil. I have 2 royco cubes. I love putting royco cubes to give it a taste, and then I have salt. I'm going to start by boiling the potatoes. I'm just going to add some salt, cover it and leave it to cook. I'm also going to blanch my spinach. Blanching means shallow boiling with a little bit of salt. And then I'm going to blend them from there. Guys, as you can see, the spinach is ready. Don't overcook them, you just shallow boil with a little bit of salt. If you overcook, they will turn the color. So I'm just going to put them in the blender and blend them right away. I have already blended them, as you can see. That's how it's supposed to look like after blending. So guys, next I'm just going to fry the blended spinach, and as you can see, the potatoes and the maize is ready. I'm just going to add onions and oil in a sufuria and let them cook for some minutes. So meanwhile, as the onions are cooking, I'm going to start mashing the potatoes. Vitunguu zetu zimeiva. Sasa naenda kuweka mboga, the blended spinach. I'm going to add the blended spinach. hivyo vile unaona nikifanya. Add 2 royco cubes. This is optional by the way, but for me I love the taste of the royco cubes. Inaipatia chakula ladha mzuri. It gives the food a good taste. So after that I'm just going to leave it to cook for 2 minutes, and then I'm going to add it to my potatoes and mash it together. Guys, as you can see, the mukimo is ready, and that is the final outlook. Guys, I can't wait to eat this. It looks so yummy. So guys, you can try this at home and let me know vinye ilikuwa. So guys, I'm just going to put in a clean hot dish ndo isipoe as I cook the stew. Wow, looks so yummy. Try this at home and tell me how it came out, okay? So that is it guys. Please tell me what you think. Leave a comment down there and tell me what you think about this recipe. So I'm just going to enjoy it with my wet fried chicken and sauteed cabbage. So guys, please subscribe to my channel, watch, like, share, and also leave a comment down there. So guys, see you in another next video. Thank you so much for watching.